Going to run some ammo through our Bulgarian Makarov that I got from the Mosin crate. I kind of did an unboxing review on this, and the guy that runs the Mosin crate, Alden, I believe his name is, somebody's seen it or he's seen it, and like I said, the only problem was it had a ring in the barrel. So the guy took the time. Now I didn't call him up, complain, or freak out on him. He contacted me, said he heard about the review, said if there's a problem with it, that he would send me back a replacement barrel. It might take him some time to find one, but if there's an issue with it, he'll make it good. So I got to give this guy 3 thumbs up, all right? I mean, he went out of his way to find me. I didn't come giving him a hard time, but he obviously cares about what the hell he does. All right, so we're going to fire it anyway and see what happens with it. Like I said, generally, damage like that isn't too terrible. It might not have any effect whatsoever. Well, it does not. We'll go take a look at that target, and it's at about 7 yards, and using plain old Russian steel cased ammo. Yeah, I'm going to say it really doesn't have an effect at all. Whatever caused that defect in the barrel, you know, my call was right. I didn't freak out over it because it doesn't impede the function, and that gun shoots just as accurate. The only thing is, like on all of those old military guns, it's hard to pick the sights up on them. I keep losing the sight when the sun hits that chrome, so I might have to do something there. But that's not bad at all. Alright, so far so good. People kind of overlook these mil surplus guns. Even though these things are getting a little pricey, $350 to $400. I got a little over $4 in this with the transfer and everything else. But they're nice guns because you can decock them, carry them, pull them out, hit it down, and take it off in double action. And it's accurate with some of the cheapest still available ammunition out there. Actually put that one in a bowl. Amazing. Yes. Getting sloppy. A little sloppy on that. Getting fatigued. Maybe we'll go to the steel plates, see what we can do there. Gonna take a few runs the steel plates with this. Missed one. Alright. Get there. See if we can do it again. Okay, so I can say I'm fairly satisfied with my little purchase there from the Mosin crate. So, stay tuned and thank you, Alden. I will not be needing a barrel.